going on today? 60 minutes today. Dominate. Dominate on 3, 1, 2, 3. Dominate. Hey, 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 hey.
It's a great day for some football, wouldn't you say, mate?
Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. It ain't nothing to it but to do it, man. We've been working all week. Yeah. Let's go out here and handle this, man. Oh, now we in the home state. Let's get it. Woo!
2nd and goal, 2-yard line. Tagovailoa rolling to his left, throws, end zone, touchdown.
Oh, the Penguin is back in the end zone.
Be like you got, sir.
From the 24, on 1st down, a big hole for Achan, still going, down the sideline. Devon Achan will take it all the way, 76 yards for a Dolphins touchdown.
Hell of a job, man. That big as soon as they go like that, bro, and you right here, that's over with. Take one to the crib one time. That's how we get. Hey, 14-0, let's keep it going.
94 going to come yelling.
On these 3rd downs. 3rd down and 9. Jones, take it down. There is a flag.
Holding. Offense going to be
Come on.
penalty is declined.
Come on. Hey. Good job, buddy.
Thanks, CP. Hey, they threw a after that flag was on me, bro. My heart stopped.
Now going deep to the far side. Caught. It's Hill. Touchdown. 69 yards.
Hey, what that was? How many yards that was?
65.
We are building week by week, and you guys know how hard that is.
Love on 3. Love on 3. 1, 2, 3. Love.
Oh, go Jacket!
Have a great day, Coach. Hey, I got my smelling salt out. I'm ready to go. I got my smelling salt out. Woo!
In the pistol with a 2nd down and goal for Tua. Mostert is back there. Lamb a block. It's Mostert. Blocked by Smith! Touchdown, Miami!
That way to lead, Captain.
Here they come. There he goes. Tua. Caught. Touchdown. Wow! Tua 3rd and 6. He's 12 of 16. Lamb the block. Oh, he's got him. He's got him. And they've got a touchdown.
Hey, you two take it to Canton. Take it to Canton.
Wow. 35 Young. Across the middle. Caught by Chenault. He tries to go by the 30.
Yes, boy. Oh, my God.
Mostert. He outraces Bridges. Skeets Nehemiah. This is a track team. Lubu tried to get him.
I can't believe it. I got me a hurdle. I can't believe that. I got a hurdle. And a 3-piece. And a 3-piece. What is going on today? Yes, sir. I got a man. Hey. Going on right now. Pretty good. Stash man.
They're in knee. Everything covered. Hurts had it knocked down. It's free, and the Dolphins have it. That was Phillips on the pass rush who got in, and Christian Wilkins comes up with
Oh,
it.
yeah. It's a dance party. It's a dance party. Hey, Chuck. Hey, Chuck. Chuck. That's it. That's it. Let's go! Let's go! Man.
Tua fires left side for the end zone. Tyreek Hill touchdown!
Double. I'm eating all that. I'm eating all that. All my number. Talk with my son tomorrow. Don't go ahead. Come on, man. Come on, We built that.
Get back to that play momentarily. First Hurts taking and throwing back. Deflected, intercepted into the hands of Jerome Baker for a touchdown. Off the deflection by Cater Cole. Baker was there, and the Dolphins get a touchdown.
You knew him? You knew him?
Yeah, my uncle.
Oh, that's
God.
It's that boom.
Oh, God.
I need that.
You gotta wear that every game now. Oh, God. I ain't taking this off no more.
Hey, everybody, come in, man. Hey, we ain't gotta say anything. We ain't gotta hype each other up, bro. Let's go out there and dominate. Dominate on 3, 1, 2, 3. Dominate. We gotta switch it because me and Nick got something very similar.
Everybody taking all the good ideas. We hit the
We're not doing it.
We're not doing it. I got things, bro.
Let's think about it.
Yeah.
Some more misdirection. Tua slinging it to the end zone. It's caught. Tyreek Hill. Mike McDaniel here on 4th and 4. Dolphins are going to roll the dice. Here they come. Tua's going to run for it. First down, Miami. Quick, decisive decision-making from Tagovailoa. A first down run of 8. Final 2 minutes, first half here in Miami. So 7-point game.
We gotta get that ball, baby. We gotta get that.
They're trying to tie this game. Pump fake, Jones thrown near center of the field. That pass intercepted. Jalen Ramsey. He's got his first pick in his Dolphins debut.
As advertised, huh? As advertised. I told you.
All right, buddy.
Great job, baby.
A rep would have scored.
Caters, what I told you 2 plays ago. Swear to God. I told you I was gonna put on the show for y'all today, man.
I'm just saying the rep would have scored because I was blocking my ass off, not for you to not score.
He threw a great block
Sorry,
for me.
mother. He did.
And when I jumped over it, I thought I was gonna stay in. But I accidentally
Thank you, acrobat now, just run.
I should have just cut back. But I saw that big boy running.
No, we was blocking. We was good.
Tagovailoa over the middle. Quick cross. This is Chase Claypool.
Okay, Chase. We got him again.
Victory formation for Tua.